Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. So as you can see, I'm already set up for the trade show. All this right here is going to be full of awesome vehicles. This is just a super early. I always try to get up early and try to make sure that everything that I need is here. And if I miss something, that's fine, no big deal. I'll go back and get it. But this is a beautiful, beautiful spot. Just want to show you all the sponsors that are going into. So thank you for your sponsorship, Drivers, Cars, and Guests, Providence Reds Nursing Home, 50 Posse. All right, so big logo right there. These are all the people that are coming to the nursing home, providing donations, setting it up. So a big thank you to Jimmy Void for putting this out every single year for the last couple of years. All right, so we have tables kind of set up, spewing about. There's going to be some up there. This is what they call Vendors Row. And then here's the table. So last year I did pretty good. Hopefully if you can, come by next year if you don't make it this year. I also have some free Dunkin' Donuts if you get here on time. How you guys doing?
Sorry.
Your buddies up. We got a lot of classic cars in this neighborhood. Okay, get over here. My man Mike is walking around with the cane. Yes, what do we got? Oh, look at this. Is this? Oh man, this is the raffle for Three River Blades. Is this the 1.7? Or is this? This might be a custom build for Three River Blades. This knife, a $450 knife for a $20 raffle, right? $450 knife, $20 raffle. You gotta get over there, Three River Blades.
Hello, good morning.
There used to be a service.
It's gotten automatic.
You probably got up at least up to 130, right?
I personally got up to 110.
110.
After that, it kind of gets a little sketch.
Yeah, no.
Got me, and then your initial.
Stay in the van. There's 3 rolls or 4 rolls?
This is something that's like But it's a lot of work. You saw the videos. It's so much work.
Yeah! All right! Who's the winner? Uncle Nicky! Nicky the wig! Oh my God! This is great! Wow! Hey, partisan crime! Nicky, come here, get on the mic. Come on, I want you on the mic.
The fix was in.
Yeah, come on, Jimmy Boy sits there talking truth. You talk for the bricklayer all the time. Give me some words. Yeah, Nicky, thank you. Nicky, thank God Nicky's here. We got a little, my man. I love you, brother. I love you. John from Three River Blade. Step up, my man. You want to make the announcement? All right, here you go. John's good on the mic. Okay, I'm gonna pick the winner for the Three River Blades knife for the raffle. Here we go.
All right, guys. So if you got that orange ticket, you stop by my booth. All right, that's for this knife right here. This is all handmade, custom made in the United States of America. All right, this is not China made. And I want to thank Jimmy. Everybody give a round of applause to Jimmy for putting this up every year. He does not get enough. He puts it all together, day and night and day. He's out there hustling to put this together for us. All right, so I just thank you very much, Jimmy. I appreciate it. He's out there and he's also supporting all the vendors and everybody else out here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick one time. If you purchased a ticket from me and you are not here, I have your cell phone number, I will get it to you. If you are here, go ahead and get those orange tickets out. Jimmy, you wanna pick? All right, Jimmy. And the winner is 550111. Chris Aguilera. Chris Aguilera. Is he here? Chris, are you here? We are, Chris. There he is. All right, Chris. Thank you. Thank you. Good, you saved me in shipping. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, everybody, let's hear it for Chris. Thank you very much.
All right, everybody. Yeah, Chris, I'm very glad. This is one of my sponsors for the event, the Twisted Fryer. Best empanadas in the Bronx. All right, Chris. Good stuff. All right, bro. Congratulations, man. Listen, we're gonna give somebody put in my ear. We did the